If you plan to get serious about case modding, you need to know about pop rivets because they fasten together the chassis for your PC. You may want to dismantle your chassis to perform a modification or custom paint it. Pop rivets are also referred to as blind rivets. The long portion of the rivet is called the mandrel. The smaller end is the actual rivet. There are two types of pop rivets. The most common has a dome surface you'll find on most computer cases. Next is the countersunk rivet. The surface is nearly flush when installed for a clean look. In order to install a pop rivet, you need a rivet tool, or what's more commonly referred to as a pop rivet gun. These come in a variety of price ranges I've seen, from $10 to $30 at most hardware or home improvement stores. This yellow Stanley brand has a 360-degree rotating head for accessing hard-to-reach spaces. And you know what? The gun should include 4 different nose pieces to use the most common rivet sizes. And it should also have a wrench so you can change to the different nose pieces when necessary. To remove a pop rivet from a computer case, you need an 1/8 inch size drill bit and a power drill, of course. Simply bore out the center of the rivet to remove it completely. Then insert the new 1/8 inch size pop rivet into the 1/8 inch size nose piece on the gun. Insert the rivet into the empty hole and compress the handles once or twice until the mandrel end breaks off the rivet. You know, you can use pop rivets for fastening together all types of custom modifications, like this custom front plate I created for the Cooler Master 922 bezel. I've seen people use pop rivets to construct their own fabricated computer cases or sheet metal enclosures. You're not limited to using pop rivets just for computer cases. Well, I hope you found this guide useful, and thanks for watching and subscribing to MMPC Tech's videos.